Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim, and today we're going to do an unboxing review of Dr. Roc's tire changing kit. Dr. Roc's tire changing kit is really good for lawnmower tires, ATV tires, side-by-side tires, dirt bike tires, just the perfect size for that. Today we're going to change one of our tires from our Kubota RTV X1140. This side-by-side here, we really use it a lot here on the Ridge. It's great for utility purposes. So we got a flat on this one. We're going to change the tires out on all four of them, but we're going to just show you one today. And we're going to take this tire off the rim. We're going to de-bead it, and we'll remove that tire from the rim using Dr. Roc's kit here. And then we will put the new tire on the rim, again using Dr. Roc's kit. We'll show you how to do that. And we'll reseat the bead and get it all done. Let's open up the kit and see what we got inside. So I bought this off Amazon and had really good reviews. All right, so inside the kit, we've got two rim protectors. Now you can slide these over your rim so when you're using the spoons or the tire irons, you don't mess up the paint or the alloy on your rims. So really nice. Okay, we also have a side kit here. This was like a bonus, it said. We've got a valve stem tool for removing the valve stems. We've got a pack of 6 new valve stems, and then also 10 valve caps. The kit comes with a really nice vinyl case here. Seems like it's pretty durable. And inside we've got 1, 2, 3 tire irons, or in other words, spoons. We call them tire spoons. More close-up view of these spoons here, you can see they're cupped, and we will get them over the rim and around the tire, and then we can pry up the edge of the rubber tire around the rim, and that will help us seat, and you'll have 3 of them to get all the angles going there. I'm really hoping that I don't need 3 hands to get all 3 of these irons in operation. Usually what I do is I use my knee for one of them and then get my hands going on the other ones. We'll see how that works out. First step we want to do here is remove the valve stem and let all the air out of the tire. That way we can take the tire off of the wheel. And Dr. Roc's kit comes with a valve stem removing tool. You slide that over the valve stem. See, it has a little cutout right there. It goes right around the valve stem. And you just twist that out. And this tire had a flat, so it's already has all the air out of it. So we get that out of there, and there's your valve stem. Of course, it comes with 6 more valve stems in case this one's bad, and if you need some caps, it comes with 10 more caps. After we've got all the air out of the tire, after removing the valve stem, one of the methods I like to use to take the bead off the rim is just get a 2x4, put it up, get next to the tire, so when it comes down, it won't hit the rim. And you just drive your side-by-side or ATV right up on the side of it, and that will push down on the side of the tire, causing it the bead to come off the rim. All right, let's give this a go and see if we can get this tire bead pulled off the rim here just by driving our ATV up the side. All right, got it in gear. I'm just going to slowly go up, and it should push right down. This is the head. Oh, there it goes. Pop, pop, pop. Boom! There you go. Back off. Pretty nice. Let's see how it does on the other side there. That's all the way off. There we go, all the way off that side. Let's check the other side. Oh, let's gotta do that side as well. Put that right up there. Let's do this side. Here we go. Drive on up. Boom! That's how you easily remove the tire bead from your wheel to change the tire. Now that we've got the bead off of here, we have to get the tire off of the rim. And you see, you gotta pop that around. One thing you can do is put your wheel protector, your rim protector on here. Slide that right over. Slide that right over there. Do the same thing right here. And this slides around, kind of help you as you go. Got the nice little strings on there. Okay, let's Start off, get them a little closer. All right, so we get this one up and over. We just want to go all the way around and get this up and over like that, and then you can just keep sliding around. So once you got that up and over, now when you got that one, just take this off, slide around to the next spot. Same thing on this side. I can get it over a little bit. Well, just wait. Get up under there, up over. Pretty much got it. There we go. So this side is off. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. After breaking the back bead there, you slide your rim up, get it under here. Just basically do the same thing all the way around this way. So once you foot on that one, hold it up, next one down, slide it in. There we go. Now we're going to do the same thing. Third time. Slide it up under there. I got my foot on this one. Slide it up. Grab my third one. Get up under here. And the rim comes out. Now we can transfer over our new tire. Now we've got the fun part, trying to get the new tire on the wheel. So we have an arrow rotation this way, and you can see that's how this tire rotates. So the wheel, the offset, see this big old offset here, it's gonna be on the inside. So the tire mounts on the wheel just like this. Now that we know our rotation, we want to get this wheel in this tire. So first thing I like to do is just stuff one side down as far as I can. Stuff it down. All right. So now that I got stuff down, I can start prying the other sides all the way around. Again, you can use your guards if you want, protect your rims. Just takes a little bit at a time. There we go. Next one can come out. Slide it down. There we go. Next one. Get down a little further. Boom. First side down. All right. So what that's done, you see we've got one side in. Now we got to get this side in. Now that we got that side on, I like to put a piece of cardboard under that wheel, protect the paint on that side. So now we've got to get this side around the rim. I just keep rotating the spoons here. Again, keeping this opposite side one in place because it will want to pull up. Once I get around, it'll pop down. So I just got to keep rotating my spoon. If you have a second person, this makes it a lot easier, but it can be done with one person. I'm showing you that now. Had to move to the shade. Fire burn up out there in the sunshine. Kill me. Slide that down, let it be able to slip over there more. It's on the bead. Now that it's down below the bead, it can flip down, get a little closer. So let's see if we can get this over there now. There we go. Almost there, everybody. Almost there. And boom, we got it on. Yay! Pretty cool little tools here. I think it helped just getting in the shade. This next step here, we'll put a ratchet strap on. You gotta seat this bead, and you can't just put air in this tire, otherwise, you know, the air is gonna come straight out. You gotta seat the bead, and you're really gonna like how we do that. But first, we gotta put this ratchet strap on the outside of it. Now for the fun stuff everybody likes. Take some starter fluid and get a lighter, and you spray inside the tire with the starter fluid. What that's going to do, when you light it, that gas is going to expand very, very quickly as the flames progress. And what that does is going to pop out that tire and seat that bead. So let's watch this work here. The key is to have your lighter lit and ready, because as soon as I bring my hand away, I gotta light that. Just the delay that much can cause the enough oxygen to get in there and dissipate the explosion. So, oops, do it again. That didn't do it. Saves the hair on my legs though. Okay, before we can put air in our tire, we gotta put our valve stem in. So you get our valve stem tool. Again, this came with the tire kit. Slide that right over there. Go clockwise till it tightens up. Okay. All right. Now, I've got the ratchet strap on. I'm gonna just hit it with a mallet to try to get it to touch everywhere. If it touches, maybe air from the compressor will seat it. We'll see. All right, so we got it touching. Let's see if we can get some air in it and get it to keep. All right. So it looks like we're good everywhere but this spot right here. So what I'm gonna do is push down on this spot with my knee and see if we can put air in it. It just has to touch. That's all it has to do, is touch. So if I can put my knee down right here, put my knee down right here, and just get it to touch on all sides. Hope you enjoyed watching us use the Dr.Roc tire changing tools to change the tire on our side-by-side. These worked out pretty well, and I'm pretty happy with them. I definitely recommend them.